Hey boys and girls, Mr. Giomini again. I made a video yesterday that is posted to the blog today about finding the surface area of a cylinder. I thought I'd give you another one, just kind of help you out and again talk you through it. So here's my cylinder. It has a height of 12 centimeters and the circles, both on the bases there, have a radius of 5 centimeters. Now all I've done is I've kind of taken apart this three-dimensional shape and made it into a net. And if I'm going to just label this, so I see here that this radius would still be 5 centimeters and that the height would still be 12. And again, same here, 5 centimeters. Okay, now to find the surface area of this, okay, again, kind of going back to the video I showed on a prism, I actually have two shapes here. I have two circles. I'll label those 1 and 1. And then I have, again, when I unravel this, I have essentially a rectangle. So that's my second shape. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to find the area of my two circles. So for area of a circle, area equals pi, which again in class we've been using 3 and 1400ths or 3.42 times radius squared. Now you will see in some 2 pi, okay, you're just doubling it because we have two circles, but I'm going to do that last here. So I have 3.14 times radius squared. I want to find the area of this top circle. So I'm just going to plug and chug, as we say. 3.14 times radius squared, the radius is 5. So I have 3 and 1400ths times 25. If I have my calculator here, I want to say this is 50 and 2400, something like that. 3 1400ths times 25. I'm not even close. It equals 78.5, which I should have known because 25 times 3 would give you 75. So I have 78.5. Now, and that would be square centimeters. So centimeters, square centimeters. Now, I have two of these circles. I have one at the top, one at the bottom, so I'm going to double this. So simply by doing this, I will just times this answer by 2. So I get 10, 16, 17, 14, 15. So the surface area of the top, or the areas of the top circle and bottom circle, would be 157 square centimeters. Okay, now I need to find the area of the rectangle. Now, I think many of us are saying, oh, area of rectangle, easy, length times width. Now, hold on a second. If you think about it, when I unraveled, if you want to think about it, I cut a seam down the middle of the circle and opened it up. And that's what gave me this rectangle here. Now, if we wrap it back up, essentially, the distance from here to here is really the distance around this circle. So distance around a circle is circumference. Remember that circumference is pi times diameter. Okay, so if this works, now they're going to use something a little different. They're going to use 2 pi times r, because essentially you're just, when I get diameter, they're times the radius by 2. I'm going to use something, so if I think about that, it's pi times 2r, or the radius doubled. So if I, again, we've been using pi as 3.14 times 2 times the radius, which is 5. So again, the reason I'm doing this is because I'm finding this, essentially finding the circumference, which is going to give me from here to here. Now I want to times that then by the height, which is 12. So I have a lot of multiplication going on here. I'm going to get rid of this stuff first. So I have 3 and 1400ths times 10 times 12. 3 and 1400ths times 10 I know gives me 31 and 4/10. I multiply that by 12. Let me grab my calculator. It's going to give me something over, I'm imagining, over probably close to 340. 31 and 4/10 times 12 equals 376 and 8/10 square centimeters. Now that is just the area of this right here. I need to combine it now with the area of these two circles, which I've already had is 157. So I'm going to take this, add it to 157. I'm going to get surface area equals 8/10. 6 plus 7 is 13. 7 plus 5 is 12. 13, 4, and 5. So we have a surface area of 533 and 8/10 square centimeters. Hope this helps you out tonight for homework. Have a great day.